Valley gutters should be fabricated using a lead replacement lining or a suitable gutter piece. Eaves cone fillers can be pre-installed to prevent pests from getting into the roof via the corrugation voids. If your roof incorporates a valley detail, it is important to sheet in towards the valley from either side. Sheet as normal in a right to left or left to right pattern until you reach the valley. At this point, the sheets will need trimming to size, and this can be done by marking the sheets or taking appropriate measurements. Where waste on site is a concern, it may be possible for offcuts of sheets to be used in other sections of sheeting into the valley. Fix as normal and continue sheeting in the pattern you normally would from eaves to ridge, overlapping and fixing as standard as you go. Repeat on the other side as you reach the valley, sheeting in from the other end of the building, ensuring the sheets on either side finish with enough of an overhang for rain runoff to land in the centre of the valley gutter.